Hi, my name is Chris and I've been sanding and varnishing floors for nearly 15 years. It will be me who you see in your house. I take pride in my work and will treat your property with respect.
This floor is old Victorian pine with black bitumen paint around the edges. We had to use very coarse sandpaper for the first sanding down. And a few hours later, this is how the floor looks. We mass filled all the gaps with resin and sawdust. The customer also asked for light oak stain to be used. We had to complete the room in two halves because the customer had to shift his furniture from one side of the room into the other side. This floor is a herringbone pattern in pine. It was very dirty. The customer asked for a sample in the middle of the floor just to give him some sort of idea as the final colour. And this is how the floor looked the following day. We mass filled all the gaps with resin and sawdust. We reconcreted the concrete half and painted it matte black. And the customer was very happy with the final effect of the floor. This floor is stripped hardwood in oak. The customer's just had a conservatory built, which you can just about see now. We sanded both rooms down, but we decided not to stain the conservatory because we felt the wood would darken naturally in time and away. We're just finishing off the edges there. This is how the floor looks sanded, and we're ready for our first coat of varnish. Which we're putting on now with a roller. Once again, this customer was very happy with the final results on the floor.
Thanks for watching and you can contact me anytime for a free estimate.